30 seconds left, contestants. 30 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands up. Contestants, it's time for judging. How did you make your dish, Sarah?
Well, if you liked it so much, I need to tell you how I made it. This dish couldn't have been made without my pan. I'll tell you about it.
I'm Tim Dusenberry, and I work in robotics engineering and project engineering. Part unique about our finishing process is, a lot of people buff product and make it shiny like a mirror and stuff like that. What's unique about ours is we always change it. We're always looking for better ways to do it. What's so cool about manufacturing is it's just never the same. You never have the same day.
Wendy Dyer, Director of Strategic Marketing for All-Clad Cookware. We do several initiatives as a company. We do some donations to help support young chefs. So we do a mentorship program where we donate some money every year to those projects. We also do some professional organizations like the James Beard Foundation that really sponsor the professional community. Manufacturing is really cool because you're actually making something. With manufacturing, we are doing something. We're transforming something that's a material into a product that's going to bring someone happiness and joy when they're creating great foods for their families.
That's very interesting. Marissa, how did you make your dish?
My dish was made by the best pan. Here's a bit about how it was made.
Hi, my name is Bill Grohl. I am the Vice President of Research and Technology at All-Clad Metalcrafters, home of the world's best cookware. Now we've got two materials that are very, very different. Now, when we take a couple of metals that have an oxide and we put them together in pieces of material going through a long oven, and then it came out of the oven and it hit a rolling mill, and the rolling mill is just like when you make cookies. You take a rolling pin and you roll at the dough gets thinner, and it gets longer. The press is a very powerful machine that can stretch that metal down over a shape, and then the metal takes that shape on. And we can trim the rim off, smooth it up, polish it up, make it pretty, attach some handles, and then it becomes a very excellent piece of cookware. Why is manufacturing so cool? Because it's so endless. It's constantly evolving, and there's always new frontiers to pursue.
Wait, that sounds a lot like how my pan was made.
Hey, I use All-Clad!
No way! Me too!
Please settle down. We need to be serious here. The winner is All-Clad.